a gift from Google. Inside the box is, whoa, Google Home Max. And yes, there's even Google colored paper in there. I love is that you look at the box and you're like, okay Google, how do I open it? But look, right here. You strip and just go. And then there's also on the back. Apparently the whole top just lifts off once you open it. Whoa. Play, pause, climb up and down. Wow. It's beautiful. The whole outside is made from polycarbonate, so it actually won't shake or shimmy. Noise distortion won't come out of the speaker at all because of that case. The whole design is amazing. Alright. Wow, it is heavy. It comes with this little disc that you can put underneath the speaker to hold it in place. And I believe, yeah, it's actually magnetic. It stays right on there. So already, turning on my tablet, it already knows that there's a Chromecast device. And it's already saying, open this in Google Home. So I didn't even really need to look for the app, but there it is. Wants to know if it can access my location. I would like it to, so that it knows when I'm in my home versus when I'm somewhere else. Allow device access. Now it's looking for devices. I bet it's going to find Google pretty quick. Google Home Max found. Connected. I've done voice match. It's now processing. It'll take less than a minute for it to figure out my voice. So this way, when other people use Google, it can actually know who's using it so that it's going to recognize that person's voice. So if I talk to Google, the Google Assistant, it's going to play my playlists, not my wife's or my daughter's or anything like that. So it's a really cool feature that you're actually getting your playlist when you set this up. Okay, Google, play some music.
Alright, music on Spotify. Here you go.
I can turn music down, I can turn up. Stop. I can pause. This is just a tap. With your favorite finger. Hey Google, stop. Hey Google, how are you today?
Great, I'm rehearsing my new songs. Wow! I must admit, I have the jitters, but I'll be ready if you ask me to sing for you.
Hey Google, will you sing for me?
This is my song. It's not very long.
Hey Google, how do you say nice to meet you in Korean?
만나서 반갑습니다.
Hey Google, how is TSX Composite doing?
As of 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time yesterday, the TSX Composite is up 0.15% to 15,983.
Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Where do goalies go for a night out? At the crossbar.
So now it's telling me a whole bunch of other things I can do. So, for instance, start with Google, or connect it to Tidal, set timers. There's lots of options here. So, I can also connect it to the rest of my home. So, alright, so I'm going to fiddle with the controls, see what else I can connect to it. But that is the Google Home Max. Tell me what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think of Google Home Max. I think it's pretty cool. I've got to find some place to obviously hang my art because I think it's pretty cool. I'd love to know what it says though. I'm sure it's something interesting. Maybe it's just, hey Google. Alright, and that's it for now. I'll have more updates soon. We'll play around with it, see what else we can do. I hope you enjoyed that.